Some content or profiles on Twitter are automatically hidden by default. When Twitter decides that sensitive material like nudity, violence, or just adult content in general is shown, it'll block the tweet and then show you something like this. But if we head back to the homepage of Twitter, you can see the timeline and content settings icon here at the top. If you select this and then choose View Content Preferences, you'd expect to see the sensitive content filter inside of here. As of right now though, you cannot set this using the Twitter app. I'm assuming in the future this is where they'll include it, and you'll see why in a second. So now knowing that we can't do this on the Twitter mobile app, open any web browser and then head to twitter.com. Make sure though that you don't hit the Open App button at the top, or if it prompts you with a pop-up window. Go ahead now and log into your Twitter account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see the timeline settings button here again at the top. Choose it now and then select View Content Preferences. Now you'll notice that we have more options inside of here than when we were using the app. Tap Search Settings at the top, and inside of here, you'll see Hide Sensitive Content. To make the change to see sensitive content, just uncheck the box here. When you do it, it'll automatically save your choice across all platforms. Now in the future when you're using Twitter, sensitive content will no longer be hidden, whether you're using the mobile app or using a web browser. And that's how you turn off the Twitter sensitive content setting.